Hey, what's up everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. It's Andres and Angel here with A&A Deluxe Detail out of Los Angeles, California. And in this video, we are going to give you guys a first look at our first physical location. You know, we've been working hard for a year and over 6 months, and now it's time to open up a shop. So, you know, get the popcorn ready, tuck in your seat belts, you know, make sure your mom's here, your grandma, your grandpa, your tia, everyone, because A&A is ready to rock and roll. Let's get it.
What's up everybody? So we're here at our first physical location. This is my primo spot at Rocket Racing. He's really giving us the opportunity here to really get down on our professional work. Anything that requires indoor, we're gonna be here. We're gonna be getting it done. And thank you, primo, Andrew. I love you, bro. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to really grow and push our detailing business.
So what are your plans for the shop?
So on the outside, we'll be washing the car on the outside. We'll have a nice mesh tent over, so no sun, there'll be no damage. We'll have a nice water system for sure. We'll be able to drive the car in. As far as the exact layout, we're not too sure yet, but we're gonna be able to drive the car in after it's washed on the outside and really get that nice professional prep. And then all the lighting, all that good lighting, we'll make sure we have the top lighting, the best products. Everything in here is gonna go down to the best of our ability. And if you walk over here, all these nitrous tanks will be moved. There'll be a lot of rearranging going on here, but man, it's just a blessing to be able to even have this opportunity to open up a physical location, since all we've been doing is work out of his front yard. I mean, shout out to you too, bro, for, you know, giving us the opportunity. Your parents couldn't be done if we didn't start there, for sure.
So how long have you guys been thinking about getting a location?
Man, I'm pretty sure every detailer's dream is to have a location where they can work and produce very professional work. So honestly, we wouldn't never thought that it'd be in a year and 6 months into our business, but we got the opportunity. Like you said, his primo has a spot for us where it's either we're gonna sink or swim, you know. So we got, you know, me and Angel, man, we're gonna die standing before we die on our knees, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it.
When you first started your business, did you ever have a plan to get a location?
At first, no, because obviously we were just worried about creating a successful business. But as we started doing more professional work, like polishing, ceramic coating, or even some interior details that provide very top quality work, that was when we were like, damn, having a shop would be way more at our advantage, where we would be able to work during night. Let's say it rains, or just, let's say it's hot in the summer. You know, we live in Los Angeles. The weather here is like 90 to 100 degrees. So, you know, at the end of the day, I don't want to kill myself over detailing, but I do want to do it where it is safe and where I'm able to do it in a comfortable way.
What would having this location do for your business?
So it would give it a physical location where, you know, we have people already dropping it off at his house. So now imagine a physical location where it's people have, you know, we can put signs, everyone who's driving by will see it, whereas in a neighborhood there's not much traffic. So this will generate way more traffic than if it would be just out of our house. Like, yes, you can argue that paying rent is a loss of income, but it's only a loss if you let it be. If it's gonna be a loss, don't do it. But if you know how to generate all that traffic, go ahead and do it. Or do whatever is gonna be more beneficial for your business. In our business here, it's more beneficial.
So do you guys think having this location will get you more clientele?
I personally 110% believe that this will generate more traffic for various reasons.
Yeah, I got it. Do you think it'll help you grow?
Yes, I think it'll help us grow because the jobs that we would be doing mobile that need to be in a shop would be able to get done, as well as the trucks doing what they have to do mobile. So instead of using the trucks to do a mobile job to do a polish, bring the polish here and go do the mobile detail. So now we're in 2 different places at once.
So what jobs would you be doing at this location?
All the jobs that require the most elite work, the most detailed work where you just really have to focus and nothing on the environment will be in effect. The wind, the sun, you have no excuse to provide the top-notch work that you do. We'll go down here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when is this location going to be available for you guys?
So if we wanted to, we can drive a car in here already.
Oh.
We can.
Yeah, you know, the door's open. All we have to do
The
is
door's open, we're here, and we're ready to rock.
You guys can start here tomorrow.
Technically, yes, but on the more professional level where we're gonna be promoting like, oh, come here, make your appointments. Like, we don't have our website yet, so we need to still get everything functioning and running where people are able to book appointments and we're able to like know ahead of time, and everything will be more done at a higher elite level.
So you'll be working with anyone else in this location? Like another detailer, or is it just you guys detailing here?
It'll be just us detailing.
Just us.
What about your cousin? Will he be still working here?
Yeah, everything is gonna be running in unison.
Oh. Got it. So what do you guys find appealing about this spot in specific?
So this spot in specific, there's so much that we can acknowledge here. The fact that there's not many, I can't even think, the nearest shop I can think of is California Detail in Glendale. No one's really out here doing it how we're imagining and envisioning this shop to be. So generating that traffic and bringing it here and just really coming in and doing big things where no one's really doing it.
Yeah. So the other shops that are here, they're not detailers?
There's like body shops, there's painting going on, I think tires around here.
So you guys will be the only detailers?
Only detailers within, I would say, at least a 20-mile radius.
Can you walk us through what your vision is for the shop?
So our vision to start off would be, like I said, we would wash the car on the outside and then we would bring it in. There's gonna be a lift here. So, I mean, if we do an undercarriage detail, we'll be lifting it up to be able to get in there. There'll be a lift here. We'll have nice lighting all around the car to make sure we don't miss anything. This table will be gone, so there'll be room for another car for whatever needs to be done there. There'll be banners of all the sponsors. If you guys want to sponsor us, slide in my DMs at A&A Deluxe Detail. Whatever, you know.
Get the emails, you know.
We got the emails. We're gonna have banners of our stuff, our other partners, Rocket Racing, my primo.
We're not sure.
About a lobby or?
Oh yeah, so over here, we're trying to get approved for a door right here where that window is, and then there'll be a lobby here where they can, you know, a couple chairs, a little glass display, and then some more display products, his nitrous stuff. There's a restroom right there. This balcony thing will probably go, so yeah, that's a lot going on for us right now. But we got a lot of big things coming. A lot of people can argue that, you know, the shop isn't the way to go, but hey, it's in our best interest right now, so we're gonna go ahead and run with it, run whatever's coming our way, and you know, let's get to it. Yeah. That's what we got for the inside, you know. This opportunity kind of came out of nowhere, so you know, we're kind of running with it, and it's a little work in progress, but let's go on the outside. All right. Ooh, shoo. This is my ride. Just kidding, I wish. But this is the front of the building. Look how many cars all day long. Cars are driving by here. Just as people see these smog check signs, we're gonna have our signs all around here. People drive through here every day. I mean, The possibilities are endless. We're in El Sereno. We're by Casa LA.
You know, the heart of Los Angeles, California, baby. You know what I'm saying? By that 10 freeway, that 5 freeway. You know, you're gonna come. All these cars are gonna be coming to us. You know what I'm saying?
Look at all these cars, bro. It's all day long.
And the C8 like that?
I told him that's my car. Don't burn me out, bro.
See? So there's a sneak peek at our first physical location. Man, there's big things planned out. Me and my boy Angel, we're gonna grind it out to the end. We are gonna battle here. We're gonna ceramic coat. We're gonna be doing polishes. Very badass interior details. So don't miss out, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. Don't forget to be a good person today, and we'll see you on the next one.